I want to show us now how I was able to generate this particular picture. Alright, how I was able to generate this particular headshot picture just from this. From this, then I got this. How? Let's go. Now, when you get to your Gemini, to click on this, you turn it to create image, then go to your browser. Alright, I've bring in the picture. So what next now is the prompt. Now, which prompt did I use to get this? This is the prompt I use. Alright, now I said, alright, let me say, using this image uploaded creates a professional social media profile picture headshot of a young black man wearing a navy blue collared shirt. The background is solid light gray. The man is looking directly at the camera with a slight friendly smile. The lighting is soft, even and flattering. The image style is a clean, modern corporate portrait scene. Yeah, boom. Here we arrive. It has created what we just said. Do you see? The prompt I put in have generated this right now. Are you seeing it? See it from this to this. You see it? Then you too can also do the same. You can do the same. You can practice the same. Practice it and give me your feedback.